Did you know that protein plays a crucial role in the health of your hair? Let's help you understand the amazing impact of protein for your hair health and give you the right sources of protein for stronger, healthier strands. Stay till the end to know when there's too much or too little protein intake for your hair. Let's go! Hair 101 – Understanding the Basics. First, let's take a moment to understand the basics of your hair. Your hair is made with a protein called keratin, and it's like this little magical substance that gives your hair strength, structure, and flexibility. Picture keratin being the superhero of the hair world that works non-stop to keep your strands in tip-top shape. Why is protein so important for your hair? Think of your hair as a garden. Without proper nutrients, it won't flourish. Protein is a crucial nutrient that helps repair damaged hair, promotes growth, and prevents breakage. It's like a hug for your strands that provides the support they need to stay strong, shiny, and fabulous. Signs of a protein deficiency in hair. How do you know if your hair is craving more protein? You'll see signs like excessive breakage, split ends, and a dull appearance. If your hair seems to be losing its bounce and vitality, it might be time to give it a protein boost. So what are the best protein-packed delights for your hair? This is the exciting part, the amazing wide range of protein sources that can work wonders for your hair. Eggs, nature's perfect protein package. Let's kick off our list with the humble egg. Eggs are loaded with biotin and vitamin B that's crucial for hair health. Eggs pack a protein punch that's hard to beat. That's why they're also often used in DIY hair masks. But you can simply enjoy them scrambled, boiled, or sunny side up. Take your pick. Lean poultry for stronger hair. Chicken and turkey are excellent sources of lean protein. Packed with amino acids, they contribute to the strength and structure of your hair strands. Grill, roast, or sauté, the choice is yours. Greek yogurt, creamy goodness for vibrant hair. Dive into a bowl of plain Greek yogurt for a protein-packed treat that's also rich in vitamin B5, which helps improve blood flow to your scalp. A healthy scalp means happy hair, so go ahead and indulge in this creamy delight. Lentils, protein powerhouse for happy hair. Lentils are your hair's best friend because they provide a great dose of protein and iron. Iron is essential for transporting oxygen to your hair follicles so they can stay nourished and healthy. Note that we recommend going for organic and non-GMO ingredients as much as possible to avoid bad ingredients and pesticides that can cause more damage to your hair. Quinoa, the ancient grain for modern hair. Quinoa isn't just a trendy grain, it's a powerhouse of plant-based protein. With all 9 essential amino acids, quinoa supports the protein structure of your hair to keep it strong and radiant. Beef, love your hair. Lean beef is a fantastic source of protein, iron, and zinc, a triple-strength combo for healthy hair. Beef liver also does wonders for the hair, so treat yourself to a delicious beef stir-fry or a lean steak for a nutrient-packed meal. Milk, classic elixir for stronger strands. Whether you prefer dairy or plant-based alternative, milk is an excellent source of protein and calcium, strong bones, and strong hair. It's a win-win. Enjoying these tips? Spread some love by hitting the like button. It helps this video go out to more people that need help with their hair and keeps us motivated to keep sharing the best hair care tips until you get the hair you're proud of. Thanks for being awesome. Almonds, crunchy bites for nutrient-rich hair. Snack time! Almonds bring a delightful crunch to our list and provides vitamin E, an antioxidant that supports hair health. Munching on these little wonders will give your hair the nutrients it craves. Cottage cheese, creamy curds for silky strands. Cottage cheese isn't just a versatile ingredient, it's also a great source of protein and calcium. Calcium helps regulate hair growth, which makes your strands silky and manageable. Wild salmon, the ocean's elixir for gorgeous hair. Let's dive in through the ocean of benefits that salmon offers. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids and high-quality protein, wild salmon helps nourish your hair follicles and promote strong and healthy hair growth. Chia seeds, tiny seeds, big benefits. Sprinkle some chia seeds into your diet for a boost of protein and omega-3 fatty acids. These tiny seeds pack a nutritional punch that promotes hair strength and shine. Chickpeas, the heart of hummus. Chickpeas, the main ingredient in everyone's favorite dip, hummus, are a real delight. Packed with protein and fiber, they're perfect for salads, soup, or even crunchy roasted snack. By the way, while this video is all about protein, your hair also needs more than just protein. We talked about all the best food and nutrients to fuel your hair in previous videos, so be sure to check them out after this one and get your free guide with food and hair tips in the description below. Shrimp, seafood sensation. Dive into the ocean of protein with succulent shrimp. Low in calories and high in protein, shrimp is a great seafood option that adds a delightful twist to salads, stir-fries, or pasta dishes. Bison, a lean alternative. For those looking for a leaner alternative to beef, bison is the answer. It's not only a great source of protein but also lower in fat, making it a healthy choice for meat lovers. Edamame, snack with a punch. Take a break from regular snacks and munch on edamame. These young soybeans are not only a protein powerhouse, but also rich in fiber and essential minerals, making them a guilt-free snack option. While you're salivating at all these nutritious options, please subscribe and click on the bell to join us for more healthy hair tips. Pumpkin seeds, tiny gems for stronger roots. What better way to finish this list than with pumpkin seeds? These tiny wonders are also loaded with zinc, which helps prevent hair loss and strengthens your hair from the roots. You can eat all the above, but what about creating protein treats for your hair? Think of it as a hair spa day every now and then. Whip up some fantastic DIY protein treatments that will leave your hair feeling pampered and rejuvenated. From the most protein-powdered hair masks, the egg, to the perfect creamy mask concoction maker, yogurt, these homemade hair treats are easy to whip up but also a great natural way to show your hair some love. And before slathering on this goodness, give your hair a good detangling to make sure every strand gets the VIP treatment. You'll love TangleGenie. Forget brushes that break your hair. You'll be amazed at how easy TangleGenie detangles your hair and leaves it smooth and tangle-free. Grab it and get ready to conquer those tangles like a boss. Give it a try for healthy hair. Your hair will thank you. So how do you know when it's too much or too little protein? While protein is a hair superhero, balance is the key. Too much or too little of it can throw off the balance. Don't worry though. Here are some signs to help you figure out if your hair's protein levels are just right. If you're overloading on protein without enough hydration, your hair may become stiff and brittle. Imagine it feeling like straw. Other signs would be dryness, feeling rough instead of silky smooth, and it could have more frizz. On the other side, a deficiency in protein intake can result in weak and breaky hair. If it's breaking off too easily, it might need more protein to toughen it up. Other signs would be thinning, looking flat and dull, and you see slow growth. Like a plant struggling to grow without proper nutrients, protein deficiency can slow down hair growth. Time to give it a boost. It's all about finding that sweet spot for your unique hair type and needs. Having healthy hair is like having a happy little garden on your head. And guess what? Protein is like sunshine and water for your lovely locks. So if you incorporate the right source of protein into your diet, it can make the world of difference. Want more food and hair tips? Get your free guide in the description below. Do you have any other food that's doing wonders for your hair? Spill it in the comments below. We love sharing great tips with everyone. And go ahead and head on over to this video right here to learn how to use coffee to help you get healthy hair. Until next time, cheers to a protein-packed journey to stronger hair.